Does ginger have to be peeled? If so, how? I noticed that many recipes that call for ginger explicitly call for peeled ginger. When I use ginger, I don't bother to peel it, as it is almost always minced fine. The tiny bits of papery peel are almost undetectable. Is there some reason that I should start peeling my ginger? Are there some dishes that are better served by using ginger that has been peeled? Ginger is knobbier than a potato. Is there a better way to peel them than to just take a vegetable peeler to it? FWIW. The recipe that provoked this question can be found here. See link 1.
There's no reason to peel besides the aesthetics of it. There's no major flavor or nutritional difference either way. If the ginger is going to be seen, then peel it. If not, don't bother. The best way to peel ginger is to use the edge of a small spoon to rub it off. It works really well, takes seconds, and doesn't waste as much as using a knife or peeler. Agree with GDD that the best way by far to peel it is with a small spoon. If you have a sharp enough knife and are good with it, sure, that'll work too, or the peeler. I first learned this trick from Martin Yan. Yan can cook. Probably almost 20 years ago. Here's a more recent video of him showing this. See link 1. To answer your other question about why you'd peel it, it depends on the ginger you're getting. When ginger is young, the skin is very soft and peeling is not necessary. As ginger ages, it gets harder, and at which point you will notice it. If the skin is nice and smooth, the ginger itself is quite firm, you're probably looking at a younger ginger. If the skin starts to get a little rough, then it might be worth peeling. Mostly what I source around where I am, it's mostly older stuff.